Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use Runway Gen-3 in 2026. So if you want to create AI-generated videos from text prompts or images, Gen-3 is one of Runway's most powerful video creation tools. First, sign in to your Runway account and open your dashboard. Once you're logged in, create a new project and choose the Gen-3 video generation tool if it's available on your account. Next, decide whether you want to create a video from text, an image, or a combination of both. Runway gives you multiple ways to start a project depending on your creative goals. If you're using text to video, enter a detailed prompt describing the scene you want to generate. Include information about the subject, environment, camera movement, lighting, and overall style. If you're using an image as a starting point, upload the image and provide additional instructions to guide the video generation process. After that, review the available generation settings and make any adjustments that fit your project. Yeah, even small changes can have a noticeable impact on the final result. When you're satisfied with the final video, export it using your preferred quality settings and save it to your device. Finally, continue testing different prompts, styles, and creative ideas. So the more experience you gain with Gen-3, the better you'll become at creating professional-looking AI videos. And that's it. That's how to use Runway Gen-3 in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.